Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to delete an Instagram highlight on Android. If you're looking to declutter your profile or just want to get rid of an old highlight that you no longer need, then this tutorial is for you. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture down below on the right-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner of your profile page. This will take you to your profile options menu. Now scroll down to the highlights section of your profile, located below your bio. Here, you will see all of your highlights. Tap and hold on the highlight that you want to delete. This will bring up a menu with several options. Select Delete Highlight from the menu. This will bring up a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you want to delete the highlight. If you're sure you want to delete the highlight, tap on Delete to confirm. The highlight will now be deleted from your profile. You can repeat this process to delete as many highlights as you like. It's important to note that when you delete a highlight, it will also delete all the stories within that highlight. So make sure that you've saved any important stories before deleting a highlight. Deleting highlights is a great way to keep your profile organized and tidy. It can also help you to showcase your current content and interests. So, whether you're looking to delete one highlight or multiple highlights, the steps are simple and easy to follow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete an Instagram highlight on Android. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.